Hi everyone, it's me, Sally, aka Crafting Gal Sal, and I'm so excited. I got this in the mail just yesterday. I ordered it from Amazon, and it's the Oh Happy Day from Simple Stories photopolymer stamp set. So I am very excited to get started with this. So I am going to pause the video and I'm going to get started. So stay tuned. Hello. Okay, here I am with the Simple Stories Oh Happy Day collection and my stamps that I just received in the mail from Amazon. I was so excited to find those, and I told you earlier that I'd let you know how much I paid for them. So I ordered them on Amazon, and they were $14.26 plus $1 of tax. So it cost me a total of $15.26, which is extremely expensive for me to want to even buy a stamp set that costs that much. But I love this collection, Oh Happy Day from Simple Stories, and it's very hard to find. So when I saw the stamp set, I just had to have it because it gave me all the little items and pictures that I really love from this collection that I'll soon run out of. So anyway, I wanted to show you what I have left of the collection and why I decided I wanted to buy the stamp set. So this collection comes with all kinds of cardstock pages. This one, of course, I've cut up a lot. It had these larger pictures, and all the pages are two-sided, so I've already used a lot of these larger ones. It had another page that was full of the smaller pictures, and as you can see, I've cut that up a lot. And there's the back side, just beautiful prints. This is the combo cardstock stickers that came with the pack as well. And as you can see, I've already used a ton of these. Lots of pretty flowers, llamas. It has all these really pretty little small sentiments on there that I like to use in my pocket cards a lot. But just beautiful, beautiful things. And then it had all of these sheets of cardstock with it. And again, every piece that you get has two sides to it. So anyway, I just love this set, and I'm not going to show you all the pages, but they are just cute, 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 and some of my favorite colors. So when I saw the stamps, I knew I just had to go ahead and bite the bullet and spend that money and get the pretty stamp set. So anyway, there's that. And now I'm going to grab my acrylic block and my Memento ink, which is pretty much dry. This is just a sheet of Neenah Bright Whites. It's 65-pound cardstock, and you can buy that at Walmart. I know I can buy it at my Walmart. So let's take a look at these stamps. I hope they're good. It's very easy to not be too happy with those photopolymer stamps. Some of them just don't work out very well. Let's see. I'm going to try the llama. And it peeled off very nicely. And I'm just going to, I think I'll center him this way. All right. Oh, it felt really good on the paper. Do you hear it stick? Yeah, I like that. To me, that's a pretty good sign that it's going to be a nice stamp. So I'm going to ink it. This ink pad that I have, I've had forever, and I think it's about out. So I'm going to make sure I get lots of ink on it. All right, let's see how I did. I'm not the best at stamping, which is why it's important for me to have high quality stamps. Nice. It looks very nice. I'm so happy with that. Okay, I'm going to try another one. I think I'll try this pretty flower one that I used a lot of. Oh, and as you can see, I've got 6 llamas stamped and ready to color. So let's clean that off. And okay. Again, it's nice. It has really good contact. So let's see how this looks. I found out also that on Amazon and maybe some other websites out there, you can get the die cut that matches this. And when I was buying this stamp set, I did consider buying the die cut because I don't like to fussy cut too much. But since I was already spending so much money on the stamp set, and for me, again, that's a lot of money. I'm pretty cheap. Since I was already spending that much on the stamp set, I decided against the die cut, but it would really come in handy. So maybe I'll reconsider and buy it after all. But okay, I think these look pretty nice. And look, I have myself some of my favorite images just like that. And that means now it's time to color. So I'm going to, let's see, I think I'll try some alcohol markers. I am not that good with alcohol markers, but I'm going to give it a try. And I think I'm going to go with a pink llama. So I'm going to test my color. Let's see. Yep, I like that color. All right, so I want this, and maybe, let's see what this color looks like. It's kind of a peachy color. Let's see this one. Yeah, I like that one. Okay, so I'm going to give that a try. I'm going to start with my lightest color. And just kind of use my the small tip, the small end of it, and go kind of all around it. I'm not worried too much about getting close to the edges because I'm going to be using the darker color around the edges. Okay, now I'm going to take one of my Micron pens, and I'm going to use the black, and I'm just going to kind of go over some of these places on her. I'm calling her a her because she's pink. Whoop. Kind of made a mess there. All right. And darken in the hooves a little bit. Cute. Well, I guess my next step on this little girl would be to cut her out and put her on a card. Does anybody else do this? Go over, you know, the outline of the black ink. I don't always do it. Especially because I'm not all that great at it. Hee. She's so cute. I'm so happy with this stamp set. I think I'll put a little sparkly gem right there, and I might add some sparkles to her. But anyway, there she is, and so I hope you like that. And I think I'm going to use my colored pencils and color some other ones, and maybe try out my Tanmet watercolor pens. But anyway, that's all I'm going to do right now. I'm going to stop the video, and then I will return with my colored sheet. So I will see you in just a little bit. Bye. Okay, I'm back, and I've finished coloring in my llamas and my pretty flowers. So I just wanted to tell you what I used for the different images. For this one, I used all of my Cali Art alcohol markers, and these two I used my Tanmet watercolor markers. And then these three I did colored pencil, which is my favorite to color with. And then on the flowers, this whole row, and this was I didn't like that purple. I thought it was going to be lighter color, and it wasn't so. But anyway, these are all the Cali Art alcohol markers. These two are also Cali Art. And then these two I did with the Tanmet watercolor markers. So I hope you enjoyed my video, and this is the Simple Stories Oh Happy Day BU stamps that I ordered from Amazon, and I'll provide a link for you below the description of this video. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already subscribed, I hope that you subscribe to my YouTube channel. And until the next time, happy crafting. Bye.